how to view and see all of your statements from the Chase Bank app. So statements is basically a record of all of your transactions that you've made, specifically what time or what date, to whom, the amount, the purpose, and the remarks of the transaction. And fortunately, you can actually find this right from the Chase app, so you don't have to go to the bank or ask them to give you your transactions or anything. As long as you have the app, you'll always be able to find it out. So you have to just go ahead and launch the Chase Bank application, and just to make sure that you're basically signed into your account, right? So once you're signed into your mobile banking account, you can see a couple of options right here. You can go to all activity if you wish. It will show you a list of all of your activities, but if you want to get and download and export the statement regardless, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner, and on the next page you'll see a couple of options where you'll find an option called statements. So you can just go to the statements option there, and from there on you'll be able to filter your statement depending upon the date and be able to download or export the data too. And I hope this video helped you as to how you can get or download your statements on Chase Bank app. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.